Welcome back to Tech Space, everybody. In this video, we're gonna be going over how to predict how many subscribers or how many views you're gonna have in the future with Social Blade. So go click on the link in the description below first before we get started. So once you're on Social Blade, you're gonna go ahead, type in your name and this enter your YouTube username box. Make sure you have YouTube checked on this drop down list. Let me fix my mic for a second. So make sure you have YouTube checked on this drop down list. Enter the name of your channel, which I'll go ahead and just show you guys. Enter it, click search. Sorry, for some reason that didn't work. So enter your name of your YouTube channel, click search. Click on your YouTube channel when it pops up. There might be multiple YouTube channels with your name, so just be sure to click on the correct one, which is yours. Once you're on it, you're going to be able to see all the stats for your channel if you don't know what Social Blade is. But more importantly, for this video, of course, we're going to be going over how to predict the future of your channel and, how many subs, how many views you should have over time, so you can really understand, your viewership and how it's growing and how it's expected to grow over time based on stats of, the growth of it in the past. So you're going to want to go here, go to future projections right here in the second thing on this title bar right here, future projections. Click on it, scroll down, and here we go. So you have the date on the left. It says time until, and I'll go ahead and zoom this in. So it says time until, subs prediction, view prediction, and then share this goal. So we're going to be looking at subs, well, all this stuff. So basically it's saying in 30 days from now, I will have 2,317 subscribers and 2,089,000 views. Now, right now, I have, if we go back to my channel, use this tab. So if we go back to my channel, I think I have 2,226 subscribers, or 27 subscribers as of right now, and I have like 1.9 million views. So it's saying in 30 days I will get approximately 100,000 views, give or take, and let's double check that. So about 80, 90 more subscribers in the next 30 days. So it's saying that, I'll get 90 subscribers and about 100,000 more views, 150,000 more views within the next 30 days. And then you can go ahead and look for 60 days, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 1 year, all the way up to 5 years. So this is very important to know and know about your channel, because you want to know if you're ever going to hit that milestone that you think you're going to hit. And this shows you, are you going to hit that milestone for more or less based on how the growth of your channel is growing, again, in the past. And it shows you. So you can always, choose to do better, create better content, and get more subscribers, or you can choose to continue to grow as you have in the past and, have this same growth rate in the future. So I'm guessing if you're here, you want to grow your channel, you're going to want to take a note of this and come back in a month and make sure that you change your predictions. Make sure this is much higher than it was before, and that it's changed, because without that changing, it's basically saying that your channel's not going to grow. Again, that's not counting viral videos. Viral videos would be like the one exception. If your video suddenly, gets 1 million hits in one day, that would be like the one exception to this rule. But for the most part, this is pretty much something that you want to take note of, again, for your channel, and to know how much money you're going to be making over that next 30 days, 60 days, or even year. So next we're going to go over to subscriber milestones. And as you can see, it has a goal date, and it basically says the same thing. It says future subscribers and view predictions for the next 5 years. Now, basically, this is just like a thing that you could do. Like, say, if in 8 days I'm going to hit 2,250 subscribers, more than likely, so I could, host a live event and tell everybody, come to my channel. I'm going to hit 2,250 subscribers, can, come to my channel, and I'll be having, a live stream. And create an event about that. So if you want to create events, or just know the specific date or around the date that you're going to hit a specific milestone on your YouTube channel, then you're going to want to be able to, or you're going to want to stay tuned to this page, because this page is going to show you that. And again, over time these will change, so make sure you come back here and check your stats if you've created more videos and more content since the last time you've started, or since the last time you checked your Social Blade predictions. So that's basically it for Social Blade. It's pretty important when it comes to growing your channel and knowing the growth of your channel. For me personally, when I seen this, it was something like upsetting almost, because I was like, I don't want to only have that much subscribers. I need to get more over time, and I'm working hard now to make my channel a lot better. Again, to improve this score, because I've seen the reality of a year from now where my channel will be, and again, it's good for that. It's a good awakening to let you know how well you're doing, and how well you can be doing. So create more content, do the SEO for your channel, take the time for each video, and watch the other videos that I have on my channel about YouTube, and I can help you a little bit more understand these different topics, and do everything that you would have to do on YouTube, because I have tons of videos on it. Again, check out my videos on my SEO, tagging, titles, uploading a video, how I hit 1,000 subscribers, how I hit my first 1,000,000 views, and stuff like that. And you can help, or I'll help you create your YouTube channel and make it better than it is today. As I've watched videos of people telling me the same information that helped me a lot when I was only at 100 subscribers, 200 subscribers, 500 subscribers, and now I'm at 2,500 almost. So I'm doing pretty well, and I want to continue doing well. So please subscribe to my channel, like this video if you enjoyed it. If you want to, check out the other content that I have on this topic in the playlist that this video is in. You can go to my channel, check out my other videos, tons of tech, tons of videos on computer programming, website design, different courses, stuff like that if you're interested in it. And if not, I have other videos for you again on the same topic and more. So just subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.